Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I have another easy and affordable home DIY project for you guys. I'll show you guys how to make these simple mirrored and painted artwork for your walls. Enjoy. So the first thing that I do is go on Pinterest and find some great inspiration. I love looking on Pinterest to get great ideas. I headed on over to the dollar store because I wanted to keep this project nice and affordable. I knew that I could find almost all of my supplies from the dollar store. I found some mirrored frames and I grabbed about 12 of those. Then I grabbed some simple black and gold frames of different sizes. I also found some paintbrushes, acrylic paints, and blank canvases that will easily fit into the picture frames. So I'm getting ready to make a cute piece to go at my nightstand table. It's like a cute picture frame thing to go above it. I had made a longer version of this that goes on my wall. I'm gonna put up pretty soon, but this is a nice $6 project. So all you'll need is a mirror from the dollar store. I used about 6 of those, and E600 glue to glue the backs and put it on. All I do is just flip it over. I leave all the stuff still attached. I think I might take this stuff out of it just so it could be nice and flat. Take my glue. I think I'm gonna go around the edge of the frame just like that. Put a little in the middle just to hold it somewhere. Then I'm gonna flip it over. Pretty hard to do with one hand. And then stick it on. I'm gonna continue doing this and I'll be back. Alright, that is all done. It's all glued together. I'm gonna add some heavy stuff on top of it and let it dry for the day. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cut all of these edges off. And then I think I'm not a fan of the silver, so I'm gonna probably go get some gold paint and paint around this nice gold color. I just painted the mirrors. I painted it a vintage goldish brass color. This is only one coat of it. I think I might do a second coat, but I definitely do love this vintage old, like gold color. I used this color from Michael's, from the Deco Arts collection, and it's called Vintage Brass. And the paintbrush I use, of course, it's no longer in here because I used this from the dollar store. So everything here was from the dollar store except for the paint. The paint I got from Michael's with a really good discount, so I didn't pay that much for it. Moving on, I have some picture frames in about 2 different sizes. Then I have some blank canvases that I plan to paint some simple art on. I grabbed some black acrylic paint and a paintbrush, all from the dollar store. All right, let's get started. So I looked up some pictures. I really like the black and white artwork where everything's just black and white with a splash of gold or gray. I just go on Pinterest and I see some of the ones I like, and then I end up painting it. So I usually grab the tube of paint, and I don't get much. I use about a blob of paint. Then what I'm gonna do is just go around, grab my paintbrush, which is in this cup, grab it. I'm just gonna go around. I think I like how that look. I think I'm gonna go do one more around it, like right here. Something like that. Alright, you guys, so I am all finished. This is what they ended up looking like. As you know, it does not need to be perfect for the aesthetic of the look. I like the way it looks, you know, just drawn quickly and messily, as long as it's black and just looks good. This is the finished ones that I did. They are all dry and put into the vase. And then I have these picture frames that I'm gonna end up putting the other ones in. So that one's gonna fit perfectly in there. And these two are gonna go in here. Now I'm trying to decide which kind of arrangement I actually want this to go in. I think I'm gonna end up like on the wall. I think I might add gold to this one. It will look gold. It'll look really nice gold. Like this one right here looks really good with gold. So I'm thinking of doing like something like with one right there. Maybe this one right here, like that. And then this one, maybe this one in the middle, like that. And then this one. I don't know, does that look right? Or should I do this one? Like these two look too similar, so I might not do that. I think I'm gonna put the leaf, end up putting the leaf in the front like that. And then this is the other piece that I did earlier. I did the peach and the little dancing girl, and it looks perfect on the bar cart. These I might move over and then like put the other piece on the wall as well once that one dries. So this is the finished look. I decided to hang these 4 frames on the side of the wall above the TV. I like how these turned out. I have plenty of space to grow. I plan to put even more frames on this side of the wall of all different sizes and of course design. On the other side of the wall where my park cart is, I decided to put these 3 little frames on there. I put the lime and then I put the girl inside the margarita cup on this side right above the bar cart, and I feel like that looked really good. I don't think I want to add any more to the side of the wall. On the wall above my couch, I put the mirrored frame that I did a few weeks ago, and I loved how it turned out. It looked very expensive and good. So that's the one I put on this side of the wall above the couch. And then instead of hanging the gold mirrors that I put together, I decided to put it on this corner of the room. And I feel like that looks so much better than putting it behind my nightstands in my bedroom, because my bedroom is all gray. So I felt like mirrors looked better on this corner. And then on this side, I plan to put different faux plants around it just to give it that bohemian like look. And I really loved how all this stuff turned out. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you inspiration to attempt and try some of the artworks you see online instead of just going out and buying it. As you guys see, this project was very easy and affordable and really fun to do. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Hope you liked the video. Thumbs up if you liked the easy and simple DIY project that I did. And there's definitely more to come.